Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone not charge after 80% iOS 17. So how to fix iPhone after not charge after 80%. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then second solution, you have try a different USB cable or charger. So you have any when you have charger use almost, so then you have try a different USB cable or charger. You have change the charge cable, so then you have check your iPhone is up 80% charge or not. So then third solution, you have make sure you have the latest version of iOS. So then you have open the setting and then click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version available on your iPhone, so you have must be update on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have turn off optimized charging. So then you have open the setting again. So then you have click on battery option. So then you have click on battery health, scroll up, then you have check here optimize battery charging. My is turned on, so then you have must be turn off this option on your iPhone. So then he is recommended then comments. So then you have to reduce battery aging. iPhone lines from your daily charging routine is it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. And then other solution, fifth solution, you have clean the lighting ports. Then you have using the lighting ports, so then you have clean with any soft cloth. So then you have last solution, you have checked the battery condition is down or up. So then you have open the setting and again you have click on battery. So then you have battery lost charge, and then you have checked the iPhone level battery. So then you have check from here battery condition is good or not good on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.